Koe tau kupu ne te tō kia I mai he mawehanga tuai. Whanau he tua, o ke whaua he tua. Kua hai ai ki Jerusalema. Kisi ai e whale he whaua he tua. Kua liu whakatuai mo e asi hake ai. E taumanausi ke maupopoanga he tuanga e kalisia, maanga pu e kalisia laulahi, he motunei hatau tolu, po ke ngahua e atua ke motunei putu ia o siai, e tau whakawhakawanga ke atua. Mawehanga fōu, e kisi mai ai e uhoaki. Ki a lau tolu osi, po ke tau mamui kuna nofo, ki loto he whale he atua. Po ke whale he whaoa he atua. Ko e motu nei hatau tolu ko niue. Whakahingoa ai e motu nei hatau tolu. He whahi he whakanganga. Ko e whale he whaoa he atua. Si uhoaki. Hana e tautala wanga o si uhoaki e moi. Whakanganga. Mo e moi he tangata. Po ke mga whaoa, po ke kalesia, mo e manga. Po ke whakatuwhono. Mo e atua. Kano he tau tohi nā niua. Mui tua ke he whakaweang manatu he pūri whakamotu. Koe motu hea mamana kianga, the island of hope. Mui tua mai me ta mai ai e tau tolu ke nofo ai foki ke he talahawang nei. Koe whale he whaua he atua. Koe whale he whaua he atua I Niue. The household of God in Niue. Pehe mai e talahawanga he wha e talahawanga. Koe tau tutuanga po ke tau talahawanga kua whakatonu ki ai. E whakaweanga manatu nei. Porque he mai manghau ke waki. The 4 pillars. From our theme today. Koe whakatuanga whakamua. Koe whale he whaua he atua. I niue nei. Ke mai longa he tau momo I osi. Kua nanofo ke whale whaua he tua. Mai longa kua ui he atua atau tolu. Ke mga hunei, ke moua e whikau fōu he atua ne ko manako mai ki atau tolu he bahanei. Our first pillar is an acknowledgement that God has called us to this moment to discover anew what God is saying to us as people of Niue, as people of the church, as people of Ekalesia Kirisana Niue. Ke uaki, koe ui ke lot, ui whoki ke whakatuwhono, ki whafo he whakatuwhono, putoi ai e tau pisinisi, tau matakau, I whafo he whakatuwhono. Ke whakamalolo, he no whanga ke he whale nei he whaua he tua ke motu, ke whakamalolo e pipianga, he whakawhituianga mo e whakalataha. The second pillar, a call to all of us in the household of God in Niue, the church, the government, including the government of New Zealand, civil society and other organizations, the private sector. A call to strengthen the bonds of fellowship and upbringing and developing of our country. Koe whakatuanga ke tōlu aki. Koe taupuhala mitaki mo e tōnu ke asi hake aki e whale. Tunga mo e manako hea tua ki ai. A call for our ethical responsibility to shape this place, this country, to shape the church and government, to be more of what God wants us to be. Ke whaaki, ke mai longa, ke lotu, ke ekalesia, me liu moa, le vekianga, he motu, mo inga hua uloa ke waha, ko hiki whānui tau mena. A need for us as a church to recapture our responsibilities, and so as all other organizations from government to private sector, as partners in rebuilding and working together through the changes of time. Be here e tau manatu kua maike ke whakalaulahi atu. Ke he whakaweanga manatu koe whale he whaua he tua. Me kua hākia i a tau tōruosi ke lata mai wahanei. Be here mai tau wahani ngaru mai.
Holy,